Well everyone, guess who's back? How are you all doing? I hope you all had a good Christmas and a happy new year and all that palaver. Your main man Dino's here, Luke's down the unit, and Chris is at our new house, which we haven't shown you yet, so we're going to do some videos around that. But he's at the house up there knocking a bit of pointing out. It's absolutely freezing. But the reason we haven't been posting that much because the cars have been pretty quiet, if I'm honest with you, but we have got a few now to weigh in, so we're going to video that. We've just been busy getting this house over the line, plus obviously getting the firewood business going, which is good because obviously it's freezing at the minute, so that's his main priority, trying to make a few quid out of the logs and the firewood and the coal. So I'll show you on a few cars that we've got. So first one is the old 11 plate Mondeo diesel. Clutch has gone on that, that's going in the bin. 54 plate Mini Cooper, something to do with the brakes or something to do with that, I'm not sure. Still got the trusty old Sprinter. Luke's going up to Scotland in that on, well, it's Friday, tomorrow. We've got a 63 plate Fiesta, engine gone, and another Mondeo on a 58 reg. So I'm just going to run this one over now. It's like the old Sprinter defrost. Get that over, get that one weighed in, stick the Fiesta on. I've got a Polo to pick up. What else? We sold a couple bits but we haven't filmed. We had a BMW, a 400 brake BMW actually, 330D. Sold that, made a wage on that yesterday. We've had a couple of other bits and bats, as you know. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well anyway, that's the main thing. So let us know in the comments if you've missed us or not. We've just been toying with the idea of doing a bit of videoing with the firewood. I don't know if anyone will be interested in that, but like I said, let us know in the comments if anyone wants to see us out delivering wood or behind the firewood business. But main thing is, let's get these cars in and let's get weighed and paid. See you over at the message yard. Right folks, just turned up at the Messers. Let's see if we can give him a bit of jip. He's probably busy on grab or something, I'm not sure, but it's quite quiet. I've got a few cars in, bit looks of it. Well, we'll get this unstrapped in a second. Looks like they put a gritter on back of the old Nissan what they had outside. So, yeah, it looks like they're on brew or something. So right, I'll get this lifted off, take the winch off, and let's get it gone. Well, by the looks of it, it's quite busy the Arctic wagons here. James is on the grab, I didn't have time to speak to him yet. Looks like this wall's come down, looks like next door's doing some work in the yard. So I'm just going to wait for this wagon to pull forward, then I can nip back off home and get that Fiesta on and get back over. Hopefully within time I get back, this Arctic will be loaded up and gone. So, right, I'll see you back at mine. Right, we're back at it. Back at home now. Going to winch this old Fiesta on. Get this one run over there, get rid of that one. We were parked awkward, so I couldn't really park my truck up at night, so I needed to go. This will be a good breaker for them boys over there. Still quite a common car, new shape front bumper on it. Oh, I've also had a phone call as well for a Toyota RAV4. But it's from a garage which I pick up from in Cone. But the customers requested that they want the wheels back. They just bought another one, so they want the wheels back or something. So I'll have to buzz the wheels off down the unit and take them back over, or they can come and pick them up, whichever. But yeah, so let me know if you want to see some unit action with our Luke down at the unit. No doubt you will. And yeah, the house that we just got, it's great, getting fully renovated. It's been sandblasted, new roof, plastering. The boiler were alright. So we've just been buying that, that's over Christmas, so that's why we haven't really been filming much. We've been getting that over the line. I'm going to get it up for rent and get it rented out. Try and make a bit of money that way while the cars are quiet. It's not so bad having a little steady income coming in. Not breaking no records with the rent, but we'll keep going. EU dares, wins and all that carry on. So right, get strap up, back over there, and then we might go and get his RAV4 picked up. Right, I'm down here now, not even off the truck yet, and Kenny, he's hiding behind there. Where's Kenny?
Here.
Where are you?
Here, pal.
What are you doing? Nicking out my car?
I'm not having a look in it, well. Let's have a look in it.
He's nicking stuff already, people. But if you watched the Baxenden Lads last video, James did say Kenny's the heartbeat of the yard, but I actually think, Kenny, I think Chris, who works for me, could outwork you.
Not a chance, mate. Not a chance. No one can outwork me.
Are you sure?
Oh, 100%.
No, he's not same. He's not the same sort of food as you, you know. Noodles and that.
Yeah.
He loves it.
Bothered. No one will still beat me.
Let us know in the comments, Chrissy or Kenny at working. Chrissy all day.
We'll see who can do more tyres in a day on that tyre machine.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll get it going.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to wait for Miles. I think he's on his brew, I think. John's there, the messer. But we're going to get this lifted off now anyway, and we'll call quarter. Right, see you soon, guys. Right. No, I'm back filming now, boys. You're on film.
He's back.
I've just challenged Kenny as well, Chrissy and Kenny to
yeah,
work
commented, I said.
So, I do think Chrissy will outgraph Kenny.
Who would have a graft off? Who would win?
I think Kenny.
Nah.
Close.
No.
I mean, they've both got a good day in him.
Yeah, I did a week off.
Who'd win a draft off over a week? I reckon Chrissy might win that one.
Chrissy's got a Suron now.
Does it? Is he in every day?
He is in every day. He's got his own, what's they call them, Suron things.
Oh, the electric bike.
Oh, he's not messing about
now.
now.
He's not got balaclava on?
Oh, yeah, he's
one
a
of them,
proper
yeah.
Scouse roadman now. Yeah. So, yeah, we're just going to do a bit of pricing up now with the boys and see if I can get a deal out of them for this.
A deal, mate. Dean's come down to rob us again.
Yeah, we'll get robbed.
I mean, I guarantee you there's a bag of rubbish in the
No, there's not. Right, let's have a crack with these. Oh, look, empty, look, empty.
Why did you put it on empty?
James, come here.
Yeah, there we go, Dean. Oh, look at that.
That's the order.
Yeah, you missed out there, Dean. Bottle of cola.
Get out of here, look. Oh, no. Get your hand on,
Right, there
Jim.
we go, lad.
Real dude. Hey, it's brand new. That's got a tag on it.
Bloody hell. That's worth money.
You know.
Look at that. What's that? Children in need.
Yes, I mean.
There we go.
Scrappers in need. So, right, we have a deal with these boys now anyway. Right, just landed here in Colne over at C&A Land Rovers. We'll pick a few cars up from. This is the one. 5-door RAV4 diesel. Pair of wheels and a cluster water speed back. I think it's failed its test miserably, I'm not sure, but it'll be going in the bin anyway, this one. What year is it on actually? 03 red. Truck's down there ready to go, so let's get it on. Oh guys, she's on. That's the Toyota wheels there. They're actually quite nice wheels actually. You can see why they want to keep them. There's the cat. Looks like an aftermarket to me. But there we are. She's on. Once a day, these probably would have exported, but I'm not sure what they want. If the Jen and John export it, or if anyone wants to buy it for export, but as long as I make a drink on it, that's all I'm bothered about, pal. You know the script. Right, let's go. Right folks, just landed back at the unit now with the RAV4 on the back. We're going to lift it up in a minute with a trusty old Toyota forklift and buzz the wheels off. I'll leave the wheels in here for the time being. Looks like we've sold out more or less on the yellow coal as well. We'll probably sell a pallet of each a week at the minute. The log nets have gone down. And the kindling's gone down. We had 6 pallets just before Christmas. We've got 1 pallet left over there. And about 50 bags on there, which we sold about 200 odd, so that's good. Yeah, so Luke's built this office, which is going to be our showroom office and for all his paperwork, but we're also starting to sell like your fireplace accessories, like your coal scuttles and ash pans, buckets and log baskets and fire lighters and all that carry on. Luke's in here now.
How you doing, people? Long time no see.
We're back after the Christmas break. I told him earlier on in the video that we've just sorted the other house out, so we've been busy.
Yeah, joining army, see?
Yeah, Luke's joining me work.
Jack of all trades, mastering on.
So in here is the office. He just built that table, the countertop there for me to sit behind and give me orders out. And point through the window and get somebody calling that car for that customer. So we're gonna get all those products. We've got a lot of products coming. We're gonna pallet lat this wall. I think Luke said he wants to pallet lat this wall, but we need to get some electrics in here first for the sockets. So we'll get all the walls plastered with products and stuff we can sell. So don't forget, if you need anything, let us know. We can post it anywhere in the country. Even your ton bags, or you can come and see us and buy some wood for your log burners.
If you need dropping off,
Yeah, we can drop it off if you're in the.
local to us.
15-mile radius of Burnley or something like that. So yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I might go and show you the house shortly and see what Chris is on me. But yeah, it's been quite quiet on the cars, but this has been busy, hasn't it? We've been building this up.
Yeah, we're building this up. We're trying, that's the main job, we're trying.
Yeah. And we've all been, we've all had a good Christmas. And I hope you lot have. But yeah, we'll lift this car up in a minute and get it wheels buzzed off. Sound. Right folks, I thought I'd show you around the house we bought. This is the one. I've got the main mess today, can't see because it's sun.
Hello people.
So this is the house. I'll show you around it. Big refurb. Chris is knocking the pointing out. Lovely dusty job for Chris, but he's wearing his mask, aren't you? You best be anyway. In we go. It's lovely in here. So we've got a big reception room to your left hand side here, which could actually be used as a bedroom, to be fair. We've had first fixed electrics in, just need to do a bit of chopping and chasing. And you come through into the main living room space. We've had a bit of rendering work done. A little bit damp on the roadside, so it's just still drying out. We need a heater in here really. So we've had all this scratch coated and rendered, ready for the tanking slurry to go on. New windows and doors going in. Need to rip that yellow stud out. Put a fresh stud work in there. This is the kitchen. Bit goody shape, but it'll do one good renter. Then that goes into the backyard there. Nice size backyard. No, not that old shed down. Put that in the skip. So yeah, it's alright. So you and we knocking the grinding out, Chris? Grinding that pointing out?
Yeah man.
Good lad. Right, I'll show you upstairs. Top of the stairs to the left, you've got a big bedroom. Just need to finish stripping the wallpaper off. As you can see, it's still a bit wet up there. It'll soon dry out. This is probably the main room. I'll say that both rooms are quite big. Second bedroom. Same again, a bit of rendering work being done on. It'll dry out. We had a newish boiler already installed, so that's staying. And then the bathroom, you won't be able to see in there, that's the bathroom. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you think. We are looking to buy another house soon, after this one's done, so if anyone's got anything cheap in Lancashire, let me know. So alright, I'm going to get home anyway. Right, slight change of plan. I've just left the old RAV4 for the minute because we need to get this sorted for tomorrow. Luke's going up to Scotland with Chris to pick some stuff up, some firewood. But she's been sat there probably 2 months in this cold weather over Christmas, so I'll see if she'll start. I've got the top done just in case, which we got sent out to us, but let's have a look. If she starts, I'll platform. Let me jump in so I can get out of here. Quick key. Turn that radio off. See if she'll start. Look at that, boys. On the button. She's done 320,000. Battery lights on, but let her warm up, she'll be ready. So we're going to get some kindling in here. Luke just wants to put a fresh lock on the door. As you can see, it's strapped up there because it's been used and abused by us boys. You know what we're like. I'll show you. I can't open it, but regard that, that's not to do it. But as you can see, she's a bit of a gap. So Luke's got one of them round locks, I think, or one of them, just a cheap lock, just to lock it up and keep it secure when we're going up the motorway. But for a, what is she now, 24-year-old? Good old bus. Yeah, like I said earlier in the video, the 11 plate Mondeo here. Good cars, I really like the Mondeos. I don't know if it's a 16 or 18 or 2 litre, I don't know. 6-speed box, but it's the fancy model one, but the what's it called, the clutch has gone and I can't be bothered to fix it. It's just a bin for us. And then that's the old Mini, same again. I think it's a brake problem or something. Oh, it's locked up. But yeah, I remember when these first come out, everyone was loving them, but two minds what to do with the big blue Sprinter yet. I think we might probably end up dropping the engine and box out of it and getting rid, but to be fair, sorry about the sun, to be fair, it is a good shed still. And it's still full of tackle we need to get rid of. Camera lenses, buddy, fogging up. Still not done anything with the auto sleeper. I can't remember if I've asked before, but it's a Peugeot Boxer executive auto sleeper. I am in the market for this window on the driver's side. I need an original window for that and one on the back. I'm desperate if you know anyone who's got one or breaking one or where I can get a fresh window from, because up motorway in the wind it's flapping like that and I don't want my dog flying out at M6. Well my dog, no, my wife maybe, I'm not bothered, but she's a good old bus. She's been sat there, she's only done 40,000 miles, so she needs a good wash, a bit of paint work on it, but I can use that. I can do that when I come to sell it, but I'll use it as it is. It doesn't bother me, that. And away we go. But yeah, I'm glad that the Sprinter started. Get back down unit now, sort that out. I'm all over the show today. I've got my pigeons to sort out yet. Oh, that's another thing, I'm thinking about starting my pigeon YouTube video page back up. I remember a few of you followed me a few years ago on it and I stopped doing it, but that's Milltown Racing Pigeons. If you want to give us a subscribe or follow on that, I'm going to start doing some more updates on that if anyone's interested in the scrap car world. So yeah, right, let me get back down there. Right, the van's down here now. Luke's messing about with the back doors. I think he's just put the seal back round it. I've just been on a delivery, dropped a ton bag of logs off and a few bags of coal and some kindling, which is good, which keeps the wolf away, because there's little firewood businesses actually picking up now. Follow us on Facebook with that as well, Mr. Kindling Firewood Supplies. We're on a page on there. And if you, like I said earlier on in the video, if you want any orders delivering local, if you're local to Burnley in the Lancashire area, let us know, we'll drop it off. Or if you want anything posting out to you, we can either do it on a pallet if you buy a fair bit or whatever, or we can just wrap it up in a box and send it to you. You could try as wood. It would be much appreciated, that. And don't forget to keep subscribing. That's the main thing. Let's get a few more subscribers back on the channel. I'm going to try and promise you, I know I said it a million times before, try my best to keep putting some videos on, even if it's 10 minutes like this one, probably going to be a 10 or 15 minute, as long as it's like that, but consistent. I try, whether it's cars or wood or house bashing, let me know in the comments if whatever you want to watch, and I'll try my best to do it for you. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Take care everyone, smash the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care everyone, bye.